Standing in your power means not giving into illusions or escapism, but instead trusting your intuition and setting healthy boundaries. Sometimes clarity is power, even when it feels elusive. The Sun in Libra trines Uranus in retrograde, Gemini, and Pluto retrograde in Aquarius. A dynamic, adaptive alignment sparks innovation, freedom, and progressive growth. This power is expressed through creativity and authenticity. It's a brilliant time for fresh ideas, social change, and stepping into unique self expression. At the same time, Mars in Scorpio squares Pluto retrograde in Aquarius, creating an intense metamorphosis. This is one of the week's most powerful moments. Power struggles, inner conflicts, and hidden fears may surface. The challenge is real. Will we cling to control or will we transform? True power emerges when we confront fears, release old patterns, and consciously channel intensity into growth.